mga laro ng PBA. Susunod po natin sa araw naman ng Miyerkules. Pero balikan natin ating laban. Petron with the ball but they're down by 1 point. Chris Lutz to Al Husseini. Al Husseini, ang jumper niya, Mites. Ang rebound makukuha ni Mark Nagiwa to JJ Helterbrand.
No need for Petron to foul. There's actually a lot of time. Ooh, cleaned out by Willie Wilson. Is Alex Cabagnot.
Not the best of decision for Willie Wilson in that play.
Well, we have to see if it is actually an illegal screen. That's what was called by the referees. You can see talaga si Alex Cabagnot tumilapon nung dumaan siya kay Willie Wilson.
Sa ating pagkakakita dito, mukhang itong si Willie Wilson lead forward. Ito, close call at least in that angle.
Here it is. Petron situation. You know in close games, look out for Alex Cabagnot. And don't forget about Danny Ives.
Cabagnot taking it upon himself, Mites. Willie Wilson with the rebound. Atoning for the miscue earlier. Coloring the big rebound for Willie Wilson. At pinaul pa ito. Nasa penalty situation ng mga Petron. So 2 free throws for Willie Wilson.
You look at the shots that Petron has, all decent looks. This one, Alex able to beat out itong si JJ Helterbrand. But you also have to wonder, no touches for their hottest player, which was Nick Fasicas, at the close of the game.
Still enough time for Petron though.
Marami pang oras, remember.
Only a 2-point ball game. Pasok ni Willie Wilson. Even if he makes the second free throw,
Plus a timeout.
it will still be a single possession ball game. 18.5 seconds remaining.
You would think that they're still going to be willing to take that. What's important is that clock management, quick points para sa Petron.
Pero nasa labas pa ito si Cabagnot. Ang pasa niya kay Fasicas, nahihirapan as he is being defended by Willie Wilson. Halos mawala pa ang bola. Daniel Duponso recovers. Sa labas, Cabagnot. Ipapasa kay Chris Lutz. Chris Lutz, papasok. Balik kay Fasicas for 3. Boom! Time management. Yun pala ang version ng time management for Petron. Not going for the 2 though. 3-pointer from Nick Fasicas to tie the ball game up.
This is the PBA. Yan ang masasabi natin. You thought that it was over dahil nagkagulo na itong itong Petron dahil sa depensa ng Barangay Ginebra. But Nick Fasicas, we said earlier, how many opportunities hindi siya nakahawak ng bola. Finally gets a chance here. Good defense on the part of Willie Wilson. But here, a patience and the patience of a team that is of championship caliber. And finally, finding the guy na libre para doon sa 3-point shot.
Well, this is a luxury for coaches, Jason. Nagkagulo na yung dinisenyo na play. But the basketball IQ of your players, hindi na rattle. Still looking for the open man. Nakita si Fasicas was very hot and he delivered with a big shot.
And like we said, this is a team that played 7 close games in the semifinals. Balik sila ngayon, laro na naman, close game na naman, may tuwan-tuwa dun sa nangyari kanina.
Oo. Katapos ng laban na ito, sarap uminom ng salabat. Dahil napaos eh.
Paus.
3.9 seconds.
Humip-hop yung talon eh.
Eto po, big foul sa game ang Barangay Ginebra, but bola po nila ito. So they won't be needing that. Penalty na po ang Petron. Merong last second substitution dito. El Deponso ilalabas. Ibabalik itong si Denok Miranda. Obviously, mga outside shooter ang kanilang babantayan dito. 3.9 remaining.
Lots of time.
JJ Helterbrand with the ball. Ang kanyang tira. Challenge! Intercepted!
Oh my God!
Big shot after big shot! What a game we're seeing here! We thought that was it from Nick Fasicas. Hindi pa pala naubusan ang Barangay Ginebra at si JJ Helterbrand. But that merits a review, I think.
Let's see that again. JJ Helterbrand having a shot clock in his head. Kalkulado. Hinilang ni JJ Helterbrand. ball para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. But then he was able to create a shot. Remember, JJ was the guy that gave them that lead earlier with that bank shot. But he wasn't done. Look at the time on your screen. 3.9. Sabi natin, maraming oras yan. JJ able to carve out space. Going to the right side. Just a small screen here. Actually, si Pasigas na nakabantay sa kanya. Binomba pa. Pasok pa rin para kay JJ.
When you have a 6'11 guy in front of you, you really have to be creative with your shot. At yun mismo, ang ginawa nito si JJ Helterbrand with one hell of a winner dito po sa panalo ng Barangay Ginebra. Ika nga, nakipaglaro sila sa pagkatalo dito sapagkat nawala nila yung 22-point lead. But when it mattered most, pumunta sila kay JJ Helterbrand and he delivered.
See it right there. JJ just able to find some inner strength and able to find a way, an angle para ma-shoot yung bola na yun.
One thing I can say about JJ, it must be the shoes. JJ Helterbrand with that big shot. Ilang beses po natin ulitin, hindi magsasawa ang Barangay Ginebra with this sweet victory dito po sa ating Sunday offering. A win of Barangay Ginebra in their first game dito sa Commissioner's Cup over Petron Blaze Boosters. At ito, they're still celebrating with their hero, JJ Helterbrand. Hindi matatapos ang selebrasyon ng barangay.